Hey folks, I have a baritone to show you today, and it's good to have my customers remind me of what works and what I'm good at, because I'm always trying new things, but sometimes it's good to just come back to what we know is awesome. So my baritones, I think, are my best instruments, to be honest, and it's the main instrument I play, so maybe there's some connection to that. But yeah, this customer asked for a Orford, Cedar, and Walnut baritone, and this is everything I want from it. Like, the sustain is crazy, but it's got this good, crisp, loud sound. And it just feels clear and articulate, and I'm just really happy with it. So to begin with, the walnut is actually grafted on this. A lot of orchard trees are grafted. It's because some trees work better in some soils, but then they need a different kind of walnut grafted to them that make better nuts. So that's the case in most Oregon walnut orchards. And this is from my friends at Xena Forest Products. They had an old walnut orchard at the back of their property, and I think it's like at least 100 years old, and wasn't being used. So when they milled the logs, I bought one of the root balls. I just bought 3 feet of a tree, and because that's where the graft is, right? So you can see where that happened. It was really fun to try to line that up. Really crazy, curly, grafted walnut. And then the top is some curly Orford cedar. This is the stuff I get from Kevin at woodfromthewest.com. That's an Oregon topwood. It's got a fir neck. This is just a really nice piece of old growth Douglas fir, salvaged from some of their building project. And then we got some pistachio here. That's from California orchards. And then it's got a simple myrtle binding, some nice curly myrtle there. So it's strung DGBE. The whole thing is like really vibrating, you know. It's very cool. So this is number 1001, and I'm very proud of it. Cheers.